Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Norma Costa with Mommy's Designs. In my channel, you will be seeing videos on how to do different kinds of DIYs, from printing to screen printing, to making jewelry, to making ornaments, a whole bunch of different ideas that I have for you. And I'm also going to be teaching you how to get the product at wholesale, how to price it, how to sell it, and how much your profit is going to be. Let's not wait any longer and let's go to the table. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to take off a background from an image. It is really easy. You just go to remove .bg and you open. This is what it looks like. And then you go ahead and open the image. I'm just going to go ahead and grab any image. So for instance, if you grab this one, you go ahead and open it, and it's going to start working on it, and it's going to start taking off the background. So it's already done. So what you do is, if you want to like take off part of the finger right here, or if there's any other spaces, this one looks very nice and clean, so you don't have to do much with it. But if you happen to want to take this here, you go to edit, and then you go to here, erase and restore. You make this smaller and just kind of go here and cut off the finger. That's if you want to. That's only if you want to. And just kind of even it up. Okay, so it's ready. So now you just go to a download. You're going to download your image. There it is. You're going to open it up to make sure it's done. Here you go. So now the system that I'm going to be using that I usually use, I can either do G-Docs or I can do cricut. This time I want to be doing on cricut. So I'm going to go ahead and choose a new project. So now I'm going to go to upload, the one we just did. So we go browse. We go to downloads, and here's the image, and we bring it up. We go to complex, we go to continue, and here it is. If you want to like cut off this part here, or maybe cut it a little more, you can easily go like, you can go to right there, and then you go, it's about a line and a half, and maybe we go down here. So you can do something like this, because I feel that what is most important is the little face. So I cut it a little bit. I go apply and continue, print, then cut and upload. So now we upload it into our canvas, and here it is. Then you measure your heart and see how big or small do you want it. You can either print it on regular paper, or if you happen to have sticker paper, go ahead and print it on sticker paper so that you don't have to use any glue. But that's just the idea. You can add, if you want a offset, you can offset it. I usually offset it to 0.10 when I want to offset it. So there's the offset. And then when you offset, once you apply, you're going to make your offset whatever color you want. In this case, let's go ahead and make it like a little green. Right now, let's make it white. And then you go here, bring it together, and you flatten it so that it becomes one piece. If you go ahead and print it, here it is. And then the cricut will cut it for you. So that's the whole thing we need. I hope you would like this video. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't. I thank you so much for watching my videos. May the Lord bless you today and every day. And until next time, thank you.